Vanakkam friends, topic which I am going to explain is cash crop production technologies. Well, fiber crops are cotton and jute. Sugarcane, sweet sorghum and sugar beet comes under sugar crops. Let me explain one by one. Cotton is a major fiber crop, Malvaceae family and 52 chromosome. There are 4 cultivated species of Gossypium. They are Gossypium barbadense originated from Egypt, Hirsutum from America, Arboreum from India and Herbaceum from South Africa. Cotton is grown all over India, in North Zone during May, June and Central Zone during June, July. Cotton season in South Zone is June in Karnataka, June, July in Andhra Pradesh and August in Tamil Nadu. Seed rate is more or less same in all states of India. About 15 to 20 kg for fussy seed and 7.5 to 15 kg of delented seed are used for sowing of varieties, while 2.5 to 3.5 kg per hectare is for hybrid and 1.5 kg per hectare for BT hybrids. For delinting of cotton, 100 ml of commercial grade sulfuric acid is mixed with cotton seed in a glass container or plastic buckets. Stir the contents frequently using a glass rod or a stick for 2 to 3 minutes. Then wash using tap water several times to make seeds free of acids. Then shade dry the delinted seed and used for sowing. The precautions to be followed is do not use metal or cement containers as they are corrosive. Use only a commercial grade acid and do not use dilute acids because acid enters through water and kill the embryo. The main issue is health issue as well as pollution problem. Then the seeds are treated with 2 gram of carbendazim or Trichoderma viridi at 4 gram for 1 kg of seed. Seeds are inoculated with either Azospirillum or Phosphobacteria at 600 gram or Azophos at 1200 gram per 1 kilogram of seed for 1 hectare. Spacing in cotton differs from variety to variety. A spacing of 75 by 30 centimeter is followed for MCU 5, 12 and 13, LRA 5166 and SVPR 2, while for KC2 it is 45 by 15 centimeter, 60 by 30 centimeter for MCU 7 and SVPR 3 and 90 by 45 centimeter for the variety Swin. For hybrid, a spacing of 120 by 60 centimeter is normally adopted. Similarly, fertilizer dose also differs. 80, 40 and 40 kg NP and K for 1 hectare for MCU 5, 12 and 13 Swin and SVPR 2, while for MCU 7 and SVPR 3 it is 60, 30, 30 NP and K. In the case of hybrids, recommended fertilizer dose is 120, 60, 60 NPK per hectare. To improve kapaz yield, foliar spray of 2% diammonium phosphate or 1% potassium chloride chloride is advocated. The major problem in cotton cultivation is the nutrient deficiency like zinc and magnesium. Intervenal chlorosis with red pigmentation is the nutritional disorder. To correct these disorders, zinc sulfate is applied either through soil at 50 kg for 1 hectare or foliar spray at 0.5% on 45, 60 and 75 days after sowing. Besides, 5% magnesium sulfate is sprayed or 20 kg is incorporated in soil. Cotton needs 10 to 11 irrigations with 600 to 800 millimeter water requirement. Pre-emergence herbicide spray is given with pendimethalin at 3.3 liters per hectare. Regarding kapaz yield, it is 1500 to 2000 kg for 1 hectare in Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh. While for Karnataka, the kapaz yield of 1500 to 2500 kg and 2500 to 3000 kg for Andhra Pradesh is recorded. Let me now talk on jute. There are about 2 species of jute, namely Carchorus capsularis, which is white jute originated from Indo-Burma. Another one is Carchorus volatorius, Tosa jute, and its origin is Africa and India. Chromosome is 14 and family Malvaceae. The optimum season is February. If line sowing is followed, a seed rate of 5 and 7 kg for 1 hectare respectively for volatorius and capsularis species, while for broadcasting they are 7 and 10 kg respectively. Seeds are sown using 25 by 5 cm and 30 by 5 cm for volatorius and capsularis respectively. Respective fertilizer doses are 40 to 80, 20 to 40 and 20 to 40 and 60 to 80, 30 to 40 and 30 to 40 N, P and K for 1 hectare. Jute requires 2 to 3 irrigations and water requirement is 500 mm. Flucloraline herbicide is applied as pre-emergence at the rate of 1.5 kg per hectare. Productivity of jute is 40 to 60 tonnes per hectare as green plants, whereas fiber yield is 2 to 2.5 tonnes per hectare. Now let us see the extraction of jute fiber. Extraction of fiber from green plant is known as retting, and the methods like water or microbial retting is used for extraction of fiber. Bundles of jute stacks are submerged in running water for 20 days. Then they are hammered using wooden hammer to loosen the fibers and washed with wet water. Then they are dried in wooden poles and the fibers are bundled. Well friends, I have completed cash crops. Next, let me speak on sugar crops, which includes sugarcane, sweet sorghum and sugar beet. Sugarcane, Saccharum officinarum belongs to Poaceae with 40 to 128 chromosome. With respect to origin, species Barbary is from Southeast Asia, Spontaneous from India, and Officinarum from New Guinea. Officinarum is noble cane. Seasons of sugarcane we have discussed already in chapter 2 of unit 2. There are 3 major seasons and they are early season during December, January, mid-season during February, March, and late season during April, May. In Tamil Nadu, one more season, that is a special season, also called as Atsali or autumn season, that is June, July. If 3 budded sets are used for sowing, 50,000 sets are needed for 1 hectare, while 75,000 two budded sets and 1,87,500 single budded sets are recommended. Sets are planted in ridges and furrows having a spacing of 80 cm. Irrigation and drainage channels are provided at 6 meter interval. Dry leaves of cane is removed on 150 and 210 days to avoid stem borer infestation. This process is called detrashing. Double line propping is done on 210 days to avoid lodging of canes. Regarding fertilizers, P and K are common for all conditions, which are applied at the rate of 60 and 112.5 kg, whereas N at the rate of 270 kg for coastal and flow irrigated areas, 225 kg in water scarcity areas, and 175 kg for jaggery purpose. Quantum of water is 1800 to 2200 mm, while for Atsali crop 3200 to 3500 mm of water is required. Pre-emergence application of atrazine at the rate of 1.75 kg and post-emergence application of gramaxone at 2.5 liters per hectare. Brix content of sugarcane is 18 to 20% at maturity, having a sugar content of 10 to 15%. Yield of sugarcane is 70 to 80 tons per hectare with seed recovery of 9.5 to 10.5%. Good friends, now I discuss sweet sorghum, which is also a sugar yielding crop. Sorghum bicolor with 20 chromosome and belongs to Poaceae family. Grown in June-July, that is Kharif season, and September-October, Rabi season, while summer crop is raised in March-April. Seeds are sown with 10 kg for 1 hectare and they are treated with 4 gram of metaloxyl, which control downy mildew. The seeds are also inoculated with 3 packets, that is 600 gram of azospirillum, and they are sown adopting a spacing of 45 by 15 centimeter. Recommended farmyard manure is 12.5 tons per hectare along with 120, 40 and 40 kg NP and K per hectare. Sweet sorghum needs 400 to 450 mm of water for irrigation. Atrazine is sprayed at the rate of 500 gram per hectare on 3 days after sowing. The grain yield of sweet sorghum is 800 to 1200 kg per hectare, whereas green cane yield is 30 to 40 tons per hectare. The Brix content of sweet sorghum is 13 to 20%. Let me speak on the last crop of this presentation, that is tropical sugar beet. Scientific name is Beta vulgaris and chromosome number is 18 and family Chinnapodiaceae. Main season is September-October. Seed needed for a hectare is 3.5 to 4 kilograms and sown using a spacing of 50 by 20 or 45 by 15 centimeter. For irrigation, total quantity of water required is 800 to 850 mm. 150, 75 and 75 kg N, P and K is recommended. Sprayed with Pretylachlor at 500 gram or pendimethalin at 3.75 liters per hectare. Expected root yield is 80 to 100 tons per hectare with 15 to 16% sugar recovery. Brix content of sugar beet is 15 to 18%. The last part is question and answers. The questions from cash crops. Name of the crop which records the highest pesticide consumption. Correct answer is cotton. Seed rate for hybrid cotton is 2.5 kg per hectare. That is the option given in this question. Species of jute which has high quality is Carchoris capsularis. Central Institute of Cotton Research is located at the Nagpur is the correct answer. The questions from sugar crops. Scientific name of noble cane is Saccharum officinarum. Which of the following prevents lodging in sugar cane? Propping. That is the correct answer. Seed rate for sweet sorghum is, the correct answer is 10 kg per 1 hectare. For PDF and online test, contact me at my mobile and mail. Kindly subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.